Hello, my name is Chris Connors from CustomWoodCarvings.com, and today we're going to learn how to chainsaw carve a red-tailed hawk. And we're going to use this stump right here. To do a carving, you want to have two viewpoints. That it's about 7 inches over this way and 7 inches over this way. Far down should I cut? The leg, I'm just going to make it go like this. It's just going to be kind of fluffy feathers coming down. I'm looking at the forehead on hawk is now finished. We put on a wood preservative, which